Today I have come down to the Yarra Valley in Victoria to have a look at the uplifted Nissan Qashqai. Now this has had some fantastic updates for 2025, so let's jump straight in and have a look at them. So one of the most significant changes to the look of the Qashqai is at the front here with this new grille. Inspired shape-wise by Japanese samurai body armour. And you can see the 3D shapes here are also echoed in these new LED headlights. And at the back here, you can see the new styling in the redesigned rear bumper. And also you can see that same shaping in the rear headlights that you can in the front. The size of the boot of the uplifted Qashqai hasn't changed. So I can tell you it does fit 11 shopping bags, or this lovely taller spring compact stroller. Fits really nicely in the boot there with lots of space for all your other things that you need for your kids. Now in the interior and the technology we do see quite a lot of changes. On the dash here there's this lovely big 12.3-inch media screen, and we see that all the way from the bottom spec ST to the top spec N design, so it comes as standard. Also there's wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now too, which is fantastic. The top two models have a 10.8-inch head-up display, and you can see your navigation in there too. The front dash on the passenger side has been reshaped, and there's Alcantara suede type fabric on the dash and seat and door trims on the top two specs. In the back of the Nissan Qashqai, things have not changed. There are two Isofix, one in each of the outer rear seats. They're within plastic guides and really nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs, and they're nice and easily accessible through the boot. We already know we can fit 3 child seats in the back here, which is fantastic news for families. But I am testing today. I've got 2 forward-facing child seats installed here, and I can fit quite comfortably in the middle here, which is really good news. Legroom is very good in here. With the forward-facing child seats, we could fit about a 186cm driver in front, and when they're rear-facing, about a 170cm driver can fit in front, which is very good news for families. Now I'm pleased to say that nothing has been changed about the drive of the Qashqai, which is fantastic news because it was already so lovely and smooth and enjoyable to drive. The one thing that has changed to make it even better is the glass has been thickened on the side windows, making it even quieter in here, and which is really lovely, especially when you've got little kids on board. The turning circle is nice and tight, making parking easy, and the visibility is great in here too. In the e-Power hybrid vehicles, the acceleration is instant and it feels just like you're driving a fully electric car. So if you're worried about getting a fully electric car because of the charging, this is a great option. The updated Nissan Qashqai, and in fact all new Nissan models bought from January the 1st, 2025, come with Australia's only 10-year or 300,000 kilometre warranty if you service your vehicle with Nissan. The servicing is capped for up to 5 years at $399 a service, that's for the Qashqai, and after that servicing is the cost of parts and labour. As well, it comes with 10 years roadside assistance. It's a pretty tempting offer for families and designed to give you peace of mind that you won't have any extra or surprise costs in the 10 years of owning your Nissan. The introduction of CCS, Nissan's Customer Connect app, comes with a 3-year complimentary service. This allows you to remotely lock and unlock your vehicle and turn the lights and horn on and off. It doesn't currently allow you to remotely control the climate, but it's said that that will be available in the future. For families with children of driving age, the CCS app can monitor the use of the car and alert you if your teenagers use the car outside of your set parameters of speed and location. I have loved driving this uplifted Nissan Qashqai today. If you would like to learn more about how this can work for your family, you can click on the link here for my previous review, but I will be driving this new uplifted model with my family in the coming weeks.